everybody, welcome back to a new video. In today's video I am going to be showing you how to get VidIQ. So all you need to do is follow these instructions and you'll get them on. So all you need to do is go VidIQ and then go VidIQ for Chrome. It'll drop here, you go sign in with your email address. So after that, you go here, authenticate it with your YouTube. You go allow. Okay, now you're in the VidIQ Academy. So it'll give you confirm your email address by clicking the link. Subscribe to VidIQ for tips. So now you've got this. There's all sorts that will help you on here. You can see here 4 subscribers gained. Or on YouTube comment, it tells you loads of stuff. Let's get back here and go to your channel. So you go to your channel. Now after you enable the VidIQ thing, it will come up here. So let's go to VidIQ. You go to VidIQ, go to YouTube. Okay, also new videos found. Okay, and then you go extension on the VidIQ, go VidIQ extension. Now install Chrome extension, you go here. It goes up here, Chrome Web Store. Make sure you're signed in under the email address your channel is located with. VidIQ, Vision for YouTube, you go add to Chrome. That's it, you go add extension. It will check. You see, loads of people. You see, it helps you out. It gives you keywords to use to get your videos trending. It gives you everything you will need to gain subs. It will give you loads. So now you've done that, you're going to reload your channel. Loading your channel again. Now I'm going to show you what it does. See, it has access to the site, so you go create a video. Okay, if you load up YouTube Studio, oh sorry,